What's the meaning of binary? Binary. Binary.
Binary. Binary. The word binary has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In computer science, binary refers to a system of coding that uses only two values or states, typically represented as 0 and 1. This system is the foundation of all digital technology, from simple calculators to advanced supercomputers. Outside of computing, binary can also refer to any situation or choice that has only two options or outcomes. For example, the choice between yes or no, true or false, on or off, left or right, and up or down can be considered binary.